I'm known for making the best smoked wings, so today I'm sharing a few of my secrets with you so you can make them at home for game day too. You can scale up this recipe and I'll show you how to make 2 sauces super easy so you have a little variety to enjoy. Prep is easy, you just need 4 spices. For every 2 pounds of wings, use half a tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon cayenne pepper, and 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix that all up and let it sit in the fridge for about half an hour if you have the time. You could even season these the night before. I like to smoke these on 2 different temperatures. First, I smoke them at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I added some jalapeno poppers into the mix too. After 20 minutes, I give them a flip, raise the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and smoke them for 50 more minutes until they're done. Then I set up 2 bowls. Each has 2 tablespoons melted butter. I add about 2 tablespoons buffalo sauce to one and 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce to the other and give it a mix. It is absolutely insane that smoking wings on the Traeger at 350 turns them out this unbelievably crispy, but it is true. That crunchy sound is insane because they're so tender and juicy inside. So I divide the wings in half and I put sauce on each variety. It's just really not game day wings if you are not serving up your wings platter with some blue cheese dressing. So you gotta line up the plate with all those wings, and also adding the jalapeno poppers, they only smoked for about 10 minutes less till they were done, is a perfect combo. If you love easy recipes, especially smoked foods, make sure to follow along Sip Bite Go and sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list so you're the first to know when delicious recipes come out. Cheers!